5 best side hustles to earn money from home. Ready to start making an extra $1,000 per month? What about $5,000 per month? Well, on average, you can start a side hustle and start making money in less than a week. You don't need to rely on one stream of income. You can create multiple streams of income and multiple side hustles so that you have all the money that you need. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to get that done. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, or you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
In this video, I'm going to share with you a shocking detail about side hustles that offers a really big advantage. Not only am I going to share with you the 5 best side hustles to earn money from home, I'm going to also share with you the potential income that you can make with each of these different side hustles. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to share with you a huge way on how you can get involved with me just by doing a side hustle. There are so many benefits to side hustles, but the main one is that it creates multiple streams of income. As a person on this earth, you need to create multiple streams of income so that you can create different ways where you are getting money so that you can live a more stress-free life. Having multiple streams of income helps you grow your wealth. So many times we don't want to have to work for someone else, or we don't want to have to be stressed about our next paycheck. Well, when we create multiple streams of income, we have different money coming in at different times and from different places. Therefore, if we lost our job, for example, if we lose one source of income, we have other different sources coming in. This allows you to grow your wealth. You truly cannot become a millionaire or a billionaire relying on just one stream of income. The easiest and best way to become a millionaire is to create multiple streams of income and have money coming in from different locations and from different things. Another amazing benefit is it helps you grow your savings. If you have one stream of income like a job, and then you can create multiple streams of income with side hustles, for example, you can grow your savings. You literally can start putting money away, putting money for the side, save for college, save to buy a house, save for vacations, whatever it is that you want to save money for. Having multiple streams of income and having a side hustle allows you to grow your savings a lot faster. Most of us have already created a life around one stream of income, and our bills get paid first, and then we have a little bit of money left over. However, if we have side hustles and different streams of income, we can start putting money to the side so that we have a cushion, so that we have leverage we can use for different opportunities that come to play. We can use those savings to actually make us more money. So creating multiple streams of income actually creates ways for you to make even more money, because if an investment or an opportunity comes around, you can literally have the money to invest in it and make more money with your money. Having multiple streams of income creates a more stable life for you. Literally, like I said, if you have just one stream of income and that stream goes away, then you have no income coming in. But if you have multiple streams of income, you're actually in a more stable position because you have different money coming in from different places. So you don't feel that stress of just relying on one thing that brings you in income. Multiple streams of income create stability for you. Another thing that I have gotten from my side hustles is not just stable income, but more consistent income. Literally, you can create streams of income and multiple streams of income where you see money every single day. You can have a stream of income, and I'll teach you some of those in just a second, where money comes to you every single day from you selling some product or some service. Therefore, you may have a stream of income that pays you every week, every other week, or every month, but then you have this other streams of income that pays you money every single day so that you always have income coming in. This will make a much better life for yourself. It will create freedom, and you will actually feel wealthy, not feel like you are strapped for money. So now that we know all of the benefits of side hustles and how to create multiple streams of income, let's talk about what side hustles we will do to create these multiple streams of income. So I'm going to give you a list of the 5 best side hustles to earn money from home. I'm going to list these out from worst to best, but all 5 of these are amazing, and all 5 of these are actual side hustles that I do today that make me lots of money, and I'm going to tell you the income potential for each one of these. So let's begin. Number 5, YouTube. I know you're watching me here on YouTube, or maybe you're actually watching a clip of a YouTube short, or you're watching me on TikTok or some other social media platform. But Noelle Randall is a YouTube star. I make so much money from YouTube that I have to recommend it as a side hustle because that is how it started for me. I did not start off as a full-time YouTuber. I did not quit my job to do YouTube. I literally was an entrepreneur with a business that then started a YouTube channel and was able to offer my products and services to my audience. Now YouTube creates over 7 figures worth of incomes for me, and I have been able to create other businesses just using all of the leads that I get from YouTube. Not only am I paid from YouTube from the views, YouTube is owned by Google, so people are finding me every single day just by doing YouTube searches. I was also able to create multiple YouTube channels. I actually have 3 different YouTube channels, and I make money on all 3 of those different YouTube channels. On each of my videos, I'm able to sell my products or services. At the end of every single video, including this one, I am going to make an offer, and I make money on every single video that I post on YouTube. Another thing about YouTube is once you get a certain level, people will see you as an expert and people will actually pay you for endorsed or sponsored content. I have different advertisers every day coming to me, asking me to make videos for them or allow me to interview them and promote them on my YouTube channel for $5,000, even $10,000, even $15,000 for just a couple of minutes of my YouTube audience. Literally, I've created so many different streams of revenue just from YouTube. So to me, YouTube is an amazing side hustle, but again, it is number 5. Let me tell you the rest of them because they just get better and better. Number 4, selling books. A great side hustle is to become an author. You literally can start self-publishing books yourself and start selling them and get all of the revenue. So many times we have a book inside of us. We want to write a book, or, we want to become an author. But 1, we don't know what to write about. And 2, we don't know how to sell the book. So we look for a publisher to help us write and sell a book. Well, no more. We are in a technology age, and you literally can use systems like ChatGPT and ghostwriters to help you write a book, and you can start selling your own book. You can sell your books on Amazon. You can sell them in Barnes & Noble. You can even sell them on your own website. I literally have been able to sell books that I have not even written yet just by using my social media influence. Anyone can write a book. You do not need a publisher. You don't need permission. You don't need someone to tell you that you can write a book. You can write a book about something you know something well about, or you can write a book about something fictional. You can even write books or get books that make journals. Literally low content books sell on Amazon every single day. You can start selling books, and you can do this as a side hustle because you can keep your job. You don't have to work full time writing or selling a book. Again, I have made millions of dollars selling books, and I know plenty of people that have done the exact same thing. You do not have to be a famous person. You do not have to be an influencer. Anyone can write a book. Anyone can self-publish a book, and anyone can start making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year selling their books. Number 3, drop shipping. Yes, you can start your own store on the internet, and you do not need any inventory to do it. There is a system called drop shipping, meaning where you do not have to actually stock inventory. You have a website, you have samples of what you have to offer, and then you use drop shipping, meaning it will come directly from the factory or the manufacturer. Again, you can use companies like Alibaba or AliExpress or Temu in order to fulfill your orders. You can have them ship those orders directly after customers have paid you. Dropshipping is an amazing way to start as a side hustle because you don't need very much money up front. All you literally need is a website and pictures of your products. You do not need to have any samples of them, and you do not have to actually have the inventory. You literally sell the product on your website. Your customer pays you for that product. Then you buy the product from the manufacturer, and the manufacturer ships those products directly to your customer. Hopefully you understood that. Maybe you need to watch that part again, but this is how you're able to start a store online, e-commerce, and not have any upfront costs. All you have to do is make a website and have pictures of your products. You don't need inventory. You don't need to manufacture anything. You don't need to buy the product before you sell it. Number 2, gigs on Fiverr. Literally Fiverr, Fiverr, was a website that started where you can get people to do things for you for $5. I've been using Fiverr for over 10 years, and the prices have increased exponentially. Literally, you can charge on Fiverr, you can become a professional, and you can do all different types of gigs. You can use systems like ChatGPT to start an entire gig on Fiverr where you write people's business plans, where you write them their resume, where maybe you write a book for them using ChatGPT or help them with social media posts. Literally anything that you can do, you can put as a gig on Fiverr and start making money. You do not have to have a professional website, a logo, or any of those things to get started on Fiverr. You can even do this as an individual and receive a 1099. You don't even need to have a business entity to get started on Fiverr. You can do so many different things on Fiverr, and there's a world of different types of things you can do to make money. I know people that literally make videos where they will review your product or your service, and they will charge you $25, $50, $100 for that video. This can easily turn into 5, 10 gigs a week where you're making an extra $1,000 just making a few videos or reviewing people's products or services, or even giving them a consultation on how they can make their thing better. People literally are on Fiverr looking for people to help them grow their business, and you can be someone on Fiverr making money and getting as a side hustle, growing your business. Number 1, real estate. I know, you're like, how could real estate be a side hustle? Real estate is the number 1 side hustle. I literally started from my parents' basement when I was broke, bankrupt, and had bad credit. I learned a concept called wholesaling, where I would find people that were behind on their mortgage payments, and I would flip those contracts to other investors for $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 per contract. The investors that are looking to fix and flip or looking for rental properties are looking for people just like you to help them find properties. Literally, all you have to do is put out signs, send letters, or start marketing to find people that are behind on their mortgage payments, or maybe they're behind where they're getting divorced, maybe they're in a bankruptcy, maybe they're in some situation where they can no longer keep that house and they would love to sell it to an investor. You literally can get paid for all of those leads by flipping those contracts and flipping those leads to investors. Even people like me, we're always looking for real estate. I literally have a website, Nuurez, NUUREZ.com, and I have a part there that says submit a property. We pay people to submit us properties all the time. Any properties that we lease or buy, you can start making money with. This is across the world. Literally, people are looking for real estate. Investors like myself are looking for individuals to use as a side hustle where they are finding real estate and they're flipping those contracts to us, and we are paying $5,000, $10,000 for every single one. Literally, you can have a side hustle where you just do one deal a month and make an extra $60,000 per year. Literally, just selling one contract at $5,000 per month will get you an extra $60,000 per year. This is the best side hustle, and this is the side hustle that I did even with a full-time job. Once you go from wholesaling, then you can go to fixing and flipping. And again, on average, the properties that you fix and flip will make $60,000 to $65,000. And again, you can fix and flip properties with a full-time job. And then you can even keep some of those properties and have rental properties. I was able to become a multi-millionaire with rental properties, and you can do the exact same thing, and you can start from nothing the same way that I did. Real estate is an amazing side hustle, and you do not have to own properties to start making money in real estate. There are so many opportunities with Airbnbs and short-term rentals, where even if you find someone that wants to rent their property to someone like me who will let them put the property on Airbnb, you can be paid $1,000 to $5,000 for every single one of those leads. Hey, you, are you enjoying this content? Please make sure you click that like button and please subscribe to my channel. We are going to 1 million viewers. I need your help. So please subscribe to this channel and help me get there. We are growing fast and I appreciate you so much. And also don't forget to comment below with your best things about this video. Tell me what video you want me to make, because I read the comments and I am going to make the videos that you want me to make. Well, the ones that I want to make anyway. All right, let's get it. If you would like to learn more about how to get involved with me and grow your side hustles, come to the Grow Your Wealth event. That's growyourwealthevent.com. It is 3 days of training where I'm going to be live streaming, teaching you how to start in real estate, how to get business credit, how to get business funds, and how to grow your wealth starting from nothing. And just for getting your ticket today, I will give you a copy of my book, Millionaire Business Secrets, that outlines all of how you can start a business and get business credit and business funding so you don't have to use any of your money to grow your wealth. You have a side hustle, but you can turn that side hustle into $1 million business just with a few simple steps. Come get fully trained for 3 full days with me, Noelle Randall, at the Grow Your Wealth event and get this book absolutely free, Millionaire Business Secrets. This is a limited time offer while supplies last. As many copies as we have, we will give away with your tickets. Once the supplies of this book is gone, this offer will be gone. Go check out the website right now at growyourwealthevent.com and get your ticket today. I want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.